Number 1. Handmade jewelry. Number 2. Customized phone case. Number 3. Beaded jewelry. Number 4. Thread artworks. Number 5. Handmade hair clips. Number 6. Macrame bags. Number 7. String arts. Number 8. Handmade pouches. Number 9. Ice candy. Number 10. Pressed flower frames.